we're in contact with people all the time. And one of the questions we get is how do you build community? And we see it on here sometimes. People,
how do you know these people? How do you know so many people?
I go outside.
Well, part of it is because Viv just has people open up. She has a talent, a very good talent that way. But like,
I just smile a lot.
Yeah. But I heard somebody say to his wife in the grocery store 2 months ago, I need to find the beer. And I said, oh, English. And we started a conversation, and now we're very good friends. And so
they're going away party because they're going home.
Yeah.
They were here for a work away.
Yeah. So it's if you're willing to put yourself out there a little bit, to say hello, to start a conversation. Had a great conversation at the concert last night with a fella, Diego from Vigo. And so if you're willing to start the conversation, which the more introverted you are, we realize the more difficult that is. We've said before, we're
introverts with extrovert tendencies.
So anyway, Viv put out a kind of an open invitation to come to celebrate my 70th, and the facility is great for get-togethers. We had 50 people show up.
Yeah.
Wow.
And they're from Chile and Sweden and
Russia
and United States and Britain and different parts of Britain and just
all over the place.
All over the place.
And then our first came from California. I couldn't believe it. We never met her in person. Met her online. She said, I'm going to see if I can make this work. Yeah. And she did.
So
that is wonderful. And Bob, by the way, the celebrations aren't over yet. When you come to the Silver Coast, we'll celebrate some more.
Yay.
But yeah, we'll keep that party going. And yeah, congratulations on your 70th. And of course, James as well. This is auspicious times in the community.
Yeah. But it's just, it's like with the language, it's being willing to take the risk of saying hello. And that's just what it is.
Or just shouting out, I need to find the beer quite loudly in a supermarket.
That's a good opening. I
Nice.
like this guy.
Yes.
I found dancing down the aisles has kind of the opposite effect. So.
We used to do that in West Coast. People loved it.
Honey, we'll leave it. Yeah.
I think he's crazy.
Mixed results. Children, come here.
Yes.
Well, absolutely.
I don't think it'd be well received here.
Yeah, I think you're right. People wouldn't bat an eyelid, would they? It's great. That's wonderful. A really nice nugget there on how to build community here in Portugal for anyone who might be worried about that. I wonder if I might call upon you. Actually, I've got a couple of things I want to share from over at the Portugal Club whilst we're all here together. And I've added your pictures there. You shared a couple of lovely pictures with me, Bob, which I've just added actually. There was the rainbow and the moon, which was a concert that didn't happen. It's a stunning picture, that quite amazing. And we've got some lovely visuals coming from João de Norte in just a moment. This also, your full moon with the illuminated bridge at Ponte Lima. That's one of yours, isn't it, Bob?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me it is, because I've already posted
it. It is. It's from Friday night.
Is.
Yeah, Friday night.
And this is in my series that I've started over here, Portugal in a Picture. Because the other day we were gifted the classic scenario of a box of fruit from the neighbors.
Yes.
And there it is. That's my opening contribution there. So this is
great.
Isn't it? Organic, unwaxed citrus from their own garden, left on our doorstep like that. And then Tom also shared with us this picture of Rossio Square while he was over, about which he says, here's Rossio Square on a random Thursday afternoon. Note all the families out enjoying themselves. In the United States, a similar place would be filled with the homeless begging for money. And they can buy a bottle of cheap wine, teenagers making mischief, and everyone else desperately trying to be some place. Rossio Square, you can get people selling you rabbit droppings and tarmac there, and oregano from time to time, it has to be said. And a lovely one from Joao Denort from John Heimbach here. Fellas down at the you might know these people in your community there, Bob and Viv as well. Just pop into the cafe in your tractor.